If you can't see me, listen to the sound of my voice. If I am not there, I am still there. I am always there. In the smoke wisps over the campfire, with your salted tears, I have known tears too. And when you look up at the stars, and you have no siblings, you have no brothers or sisters, and you have no friends, no partner, no lover, no mother, no father, and you have no God, when it feels like there is only you in a black hole, I have known loneliness just like you, have tasted salty tears, and did not even so much as reach up my hand to wipe them due to the heaviness. I was you. I have been you. If you can't see me, listen to the sound of my voice. I cannot show you where to go, but I have been there.